I'm a professional beat maker and I've been running my brand new type beat channel for 30 days and now sitting at almost 75,000 views, over 1,000 subs and multiple placements all in just 30 days. How did I manage to get such rapid growth in such a short amount of time? Here are the do's, the don'ts of making a successful type beat channel in 2023. Yes, I gained like 500 plus subscribers in like the first month of making beats. First month of like publishing my beats. We're just gonna go through like the do's, the don'ts. And shout out to Mose, Beats by Mose, my brother. You know what I'm saying? One of the coldest producers that I know. 1.0. Start. Just start doing the thing, man. Just start doing the thing. Numero 1.1. Start a new channel if you guys start a new channel. Now let me show you something real tough. But here's what I mean by start a new channel. And this goes for my don'ts, man. Amaria BB type beat, Drake, Thames, O'Malley type beat, Blast type beat, then Potter Paper. Like, there's no Allegro. Like, are you okay? My former self, are you okay? What you want to do is you want to find yourself a niche. And there's so many resources you can use to find like niches. So the one that I use the most is this one. I'm gonna show you. Oh, this is a tool number one that I'm gonna give you. This one, this app.vidic. It's free actually. I mean, you can pay for it, but like the stuff that I use for is like free. You get me? So it actually gives me like recommendations of stuff to use. And this is how I found my niche. I just typed in I just typed in O'Malley. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's actually giving me like ideas. Like I should do some Burna Boy type thing. But I'll explain why I'm not gonna do that yet. Niche is number one. That's like the number one thing that I can tell you to like do is stay within a niche. You know what I'm saying? Because the YouTube algorithm gets confused with like what are you about type thing. By the beginning, when you have like no subscribers, you want to stay within a certain niche. So for me, my niche is O'Malley type beat. So O'Malley, Rema type beat. Sometimes O'Malley by himself. Sometimes it's never Rema by himself. It's always O'Malley type beat or O'Malley, Rema, Wizkid type beat. The views, that viewing, this is all first. I did this all in 1 month. Don't do hella niches. Stick to one niche and be patient with your niche, you know what I'm saying? But before you even do any of that, do your research, do your keyword search. I don't even know how many tips I've given you so far. God, back with another do. Make sure your music is quality. Because ain't nobody gonna watch a bad beat for time. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you my old beats, right? 25 seconds. Now watch my new stuff. 1 minute. I call it good when it's above like 1 minute 10 seconds. Then I know that they've listened all the way to the chorus, from the beginning to the chorus. Because I used to be an artist, right? When I listen to a beat, I'll listen up to the first chorus to the second to the second verse. And if it's good, I'm downloading that thing, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure that your stuff is quality, you know what I'm saying? Make sure there's space in for the artist, you know what I'm saying? It's not a instrumental piece of music. We're making beats, we're making tracks. And the final component and the most important component of a beat is the artist. So make sure your stuff is nice and clean in the middle as well with your mixes, everything. Your mix has to be good. Something that I learned is stuff like make sure that it fades away at the end, not just abruptly stops. I've had a person contact me about buying a beat, you know, they're interested, and then they're like, I was gonna buy this beat, but it just abruptly stopped. So can you do something for me? And I said, yeah, and I've not heard from them since. So yeah, I kind of learned from that one, innit? And now what don't is rubbish scheduling. Rubbish scheduling. So to schedule properly, let's say you have beats, you have 14 beats, that quality beats, and it's Saturday today, right? What I would do is today, tomorrow, I'll make thumbnails and everything, good thumbnails, good description, and I'm gonna line them all up from Monday to Sunday. Same time every single day. Just stick to that one. You don't want to upload Monday at 2, Tuesday at 3, Wednesday at 4. You don't want to do all of that. So you want to have a consistent schedule time. And make sure that if you're going to upload every single day, it's every single day. If you're going to upload 5 days a week, it's going to be those 5 days a week. Let's say Monday to Friday. If you're going to upload twice a week, make sure that it's those 2 days every single week, Tuesday Wednesday. You know, like YouTube will be kind of anticipating you type thing, and then it pushes you out. So that's another tip. Make sure that you're scheduling. You have a plan. Because if you don't have a plan, you have a plan to fail. That's the default plan of not planning. Failure. Another tip. Make sure you learn from other people. Just like dive into people's DMs and be like, yo, what going? Let me show you a DM that I sent somebody real quick. This is a guy right here. Like I'm always showing him love. He's always showing me love type thing. You know what I'm saying? But I asked him a couple questions and like, you know, who are your go-tos? How he started producing and like how he gets more placement and stuff like that. But of course, for you, it could be like, you could just like shout one of these guys, be like, yo, XYZ. Sometimes even like collabs and stuff like that. So just ask them whatever questions like how to get placements, how they're doing their channel, like tips, especially if you're doing the same kind of artist, that same genre. Like let's say you're doing R&B artists, you just jump into someone's DMs who does R&B and like ask them how they're doing their thing, you know what I'm saying? And people are a lot more willing to share than you'd actually think. That's what I love about this community, you know. So, well, anyway, in the Afrobeat community, these brothers are cold. And also, I can't lie to you, just go on people's channels and just be like, oh, and just like check out what they're saying, you know what I'm saying? Just look at how they structure their description boxes, what they got in there, how they do their thumbnails and stuff like, and just like learn from people, like just watching their stuff, looking at their thing and be like, yo, I'll go on. And of course, for my thing as well, you can just kind of like see what's going on. Mine's a bit more messy, but like I have a theme going on, like I have a kind of thing going on. But yeah, just learn from watching other people, learn from asking other people, and always humble yourself. Always humble yourself, no matter how big you get. Always humble yourself. And not only just like with the YouTube thing, but even with the music, listen to your favorite producers. Listen to what's going on right now. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to fall behind in this music thing. You can have what you love to do, but you also want to be able to adapt to what's going on right now. That's what makes a good producer. You know what I'm saying? That's why these Pharrells and the Kanye West are still relevant to this day, because they know how to remain with the thing that's going on. I mean, Kanye West making drill. I was like, raw, this is hard. This is hard, bro. But yeah, to go with that as well, the don't is just don't make rubbish things, man. Don't put out rubbish out there, bro, because you be associated rubbish. And the thing is that YouTube will know that your thing is rubbish because of your analytics. You know what I'm saying? Like I showed you before with my watch time being 11 seconds, bro. What's that? That's literally like not even when the beat drops, man. So yeah, make sure that your thing is quality so that people stay. And when people stay, it recommends it to even more people, and even more people, and boom, sell. And of course, people don't want to buy rubbish, bro. You gotta always bring quality. Now, I'm not saying be perfect, because none of us are. But it's always quality. It's always quality that you're proud of. Be like, okay, I put that out there. You know what I'm saying? You know, there's some things that I think are quality, but they don't even do as well as I thought that they would do. Like, man, I be getting views. I can't lie. God is good. Like even this beat right here, Blind. I thought this beat was it. I'm not gonna say it's no quality, but for me, I know it's quality. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know, don't copy people. Do not copy people. All right, I'm telling you this. You will not bring anything. You will not bring anything to the game if you're copying other people. Now, mind you, if you listen to my things, you may say it sounds like someone else. Yeah, things are gonna, you know, because we're all kind of like trying to like create base of a certain artist. But my thing has a unique thing to it, and for me, my most unique thing is the fact that I play guitar. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually an instrumentalist. I play guitar, I play piano, all of that. That's the value I bring to this thing. Is a lot of producers don't really know how to play instruments, or a lot of them just play keys, or they like program in keys and like guitars and all of that. But for me, I can actually play the real thing. You know what I'm saying? So, and I have a very unique way of playing the guitar. That's how I am unique. Everybody has their own way. So some people just create their own sounds. They'll use like their own pads, but in this thing, you gotta be unique so people will go to your thing. And what I see a lot of artists do, because I work with a lot of artists, they'll come at me and be like, can you reproduce this? Then I can't reproduce it. You know what I'm saying? But no matter how much I try, I can't reproduce it because it's in that unique style of that certain producer. So you want to be that guy who's so unique that other people can't replicate. You know what I'm saying? So people always come to you if they want that sound. You know what I'm saying? Be unique. Be yourself. Don't be crap, but be yourself. Yeah, that really goes in my dawn. So yeah, like, don't copy people. No, not outright. Just, you can use it to like learn and stuff like that, but don't be copy and pasting beats. Don't do that, please. Be inspired, but don't copy. My final do that a lot of people overlook is be aesthetically pleasing, bro. Be aesthetically pleasing. You want to have a thing going on for yourself. You want to have a certain look that you know what I'm saying, that you just be like, okay, cool, this is nice. Now let me show you my old thing. But just look at all this. It's just like all jumbled up. Like, here I had a thing going on, but all of a sudden I'm doing all this nonsense. You know what I'm saying? Come on, what is that, bro? Like, what is that? Insert. Like, what is that? Oh, okay. This is nice. I mean, like, look at this. This is hard, bro. People are clicking this, man. Come on, get views, man. We get views. You know what I'm saying? People are loving it. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of reflected by your analytics. Again, analytics will tell you things. Yeah, be pleasing. Be consistent with your thumbnails as well, so you can have a. So, you know, it comes with branding as well. And also, you know, aesthetically pleasing. Please, you know, your description and everything, all of this stuff, please actually like pattern it, like actually like do it. I made it by myself. Literally just use Canva. I'm gonna put everything in the description. Canva. I think it's Canva. You use Canva. Just like make sure that you have a brand going on for yourself. So yeah, this is my thing. I just made my logo, made my banner, you know, and I always use the same format for my thingy. This is something that I actually got from somebody else on the internet, so I can't really be like, yo, here you go type thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so those are all my tips, but I got a few extra tips for you, man. Now these are some extra saucy little tips, you know, because I like you, man. And I also appreciate the fact that you've subscribed, innit? So because you've subscribed, I'm gonna give you these extra tips. And if you haven't subscribed and you listen to these tips, this is theft. Consider it theft. So please subscribe and then listen to the tips, you know what I'm saying? And subscribe to my Type Beat channel too. My final couple of tips is expect the unexpected, you know what I'm saying? Just because a beat does extremely well on YouTube doesn't mean it's gonna actually sell, you know what I'm saying? So funny enough, the thing that's actually done well, that one of the beats that I've actually sold very well is this one. Only 394, pretty much 400 views, bro. Sold like an non-exclusive. You know, them other ones, them $107 ones, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is sold very well actually. I was very surprised with what actually sold, you know what I'm saying? This track, like I said, expect the unexpected. I didn't think this track would do anything, you know, but it sold very, very nicely. I sold 2 copies of that thing, you know what I'm saying? Like this one, this baby beat I made time ago, actually was on my old channel, that didn't do well at all. Put on this new channel and it sold. Yeah, it's literally the beats that I did not think would sell that I've actually sold. Be patient. Another tip, be patient, because it's one of them things where it's like, I know people are recording with my beats, I know people are writing to my beats, I know people will buy them. So like the first month I wasn't expecting to sell anything, because extra tip number 3 is that things will go up and down. This is the one that has taken me a long time to kind of get over. I mean, I've only been doing it for like a month and a bit, but like, yeah, your stats will go up and down, bro. Let me show you my analytics real quick. You see that? Boom, like that was good. That was good, but it's going down. Then it goes up. Then it goes down. But that's just the game. I know that in the next whenever it's gonna go up and it's gonna go past that point again, because it just happens. All right. Don't worry about the views too tough. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you're driving traffic to your beat stars. You're giving them good quality stuff. And just enjoy yourself, man. Enjoy yourself. Don't worry too much about the numbers, but definitely see what's working for you and see what's not working for you. So with that being said, it's the end of the video. I'll be doing hella videos, like tutorials on that. And yeah, I'm gonna have like a link to my socials in the bio, and like a link to like some of my guitar loops and stuff like that. So, cause I'm a certain loop maker, me, man. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all of that. Peace.